Okay, if you are new to Hamster Kombat, when you say dash, hold the hamster guy for a second, and when you say dot, tap the hamster guy. Now let's go to the Daily Cipher button. The hamster guy has turned to red. Let's enter the code F dot dot dash dot I dot dot A dot dash T dash fields. The code is cracked. You are a real detective. Take the prize. Good job, see you.
Thanks for watching, Money Makers. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you next time.